Hello everyone, you're watching Janna FX. In this video I'll share with you as usual results of my trading this week and a little bit of overview for gold this coming week. And this week was really good, profitable for me. I have been actually trading pretty much every single day, and it was really hard and full time trading for me this week. I combined again both strategies, the one which I'm using pending orders with my EA, and another strategy is scalping. So I did a lot of scalping this week, which gave me great result, absolutely great result. This is actually a new strategy for me. I have been using it for quite a while, but not as long as my standard strategy with the pending orders, okay? And I sent a lot of my pending orders to Telegram channel this week. Just, you probably noticed it was just lots and lots and lots of trades. I think it's like over 20. And guys, again, it's absolutely free. And my Telegram channel is the only one, Janna FX. As usual, you can see on the screen address and the links you can find in the description under this video. As you can see, guys, it's going and going and going. All the trades closed out with profits. I think it was maybe just one or two with losses, but the recovery system picked it up and recovered it all. But it's, you can see, guys, this is just absolutely amazing this week. But I'm not going to have that much next week. That's why I was pushing it this week, because I'm going to have a little bit of rest, because yes, it's been too much, and that's it. So this is the end. This is gone too far. Yeah, you can like see it all in my Telegram channel basically. Yes, and this week I'm going to have a little bit of rest, still going to use my pending orders, but not as many during the day, because usually you know that the night trade for me, it is night. London is about 12 midnight and London time, I mean, and during the day would be a bit less this week. So just wanted to tell you, not like this week, don't expect. And what else I was going to show you here? We have nothing floating, as you can see, guys, at this moment. It's absolutely nothing. And I'm going to show you the results on my FX Blue. On my site here is independent site. And as you can see, guys, here is the date 14th, right? So I just want to show you like 14th. April, and wherever it shows today's day, and you can see the result this week is slightly more than 70,000, $76,000. And just want to show you that's the account, and I withdrawn last week some of the amount, and that's what I have at this moment. As you can see, my balance is slightly more than 400,000. Okay. So, and now we're going back to our terminal. Remember also last week, so that's our week on 1 hour time frame. This was a big drop last Friday, and I had a sell. Remember, it was a sell order here where I actually left the stop loss with the profit, but I was worried that the market could open with a huge gap up, and it could have close my stop loss and even make me loss, right, if it would have been really big jump. But we had not very big one, just like I expected. But you know, the panic on the market, everybody's talking, oh, it could jump, whoever knows, wherever. But my expectation was it wouldn't be a very big one, and that's what happened. So basically my trade closed out with this jump, and as you saw, there's 70 something thousand, but with the other amount, well, maybe I'll show you again here, it closed out with over 30,000 that trade. So I just want to show you here from Friday. Okay, so that was because the trade I opened on Friday, even though it closed on Monday, on Sunday night, on Monday it didn't show in the results, but here you can see it's 120,000. So yeah, that's how it's closed out quite well. Like I'm saying, this week closed out really, really well, with the previous week also that big trade I had. So now, as you can see again, there is nothing out there floating, and this week the market actually continued the way up, and unfortunately expectation was still that we will have a correction down, where I was hoping to hold my big trade. No, but the market decided to go higher. Basically, it shows us, guys, that we have all the attention at this moment for gold is on Middle East, right? Whatever's happening out there, the tension between Israel and Iran continues, and it's not reacting on American news, because we do know that dollar is getting stronger, and it's not just following that at this moment. So this week possibly could be a bit quieter week, because Israel actually promised to respond to Iran after some holidays they have in Israel. But on Friday night there is something happened there. It was a bit of the attack in the response of Israel, kind of, but it wasn't very big, and it looks like Iran said they kind of accept that. So maybe that's going to be enough. But we never know. Nobody knows, right? Is it enough or is it not enough? What else is going to be? Who is going to next attack? And what else? So that's why at this moment, looking at this, the gold is continuing to rise. Okay, it's continuing to rise. But at this moment, you see, guys, I don't really even want to say anything wherever it's going up or down. It's just the technical overview here is that we're a little bit on this consolidation, right? So we have a range where it was actually trying, well, here breakout of about 23.65, here we have 23.97, so it like broke and come back. Here we had the same, so this week we got a little bit into that range. So the next, of course, is breakout from this area, and with slight uptrend again, so continuation of uptrend. And well, you see, we don't have like much of the signs of reverse again at this moment. We do have the spins, and you see gold might decide to go and actually take them, go a bit higher, maybe create something higher and then turn around. So basically that's what can happen. I mean, on the other hand, yes, it's rejecting it goes up and down with those pins, but wherever the pin side will be back, gold will come back here anyway. Maybe not this time, maybe next time, who knows, right? So what it will decide to do, because also it might have a bit of a correction. The previous week, unfortunately, that one was not enough. See, this week again it's closed out with the green candle, except the pin is now the other way around. So basically it kind of gives me a little bit of signs of the turning around, but with those tensions at this moment, like I'm saying, all of these candles and other indicators or whatever people using is not working. Nothing is working this moment. Nobody knows when it's going to turn around. We still have here a bigger uptrend channel where we got to it, and you see it might go higher because we still have this week from the previous big top, which is around 2,500 plus minus something. So basically gold might still get to that point, okay, still might go there. That's just a bit of the overview of my kind of view here. So I'm going to stick to the same strategy. Like I'm saying, I'm combining my both strategies, the scalping and usual pending orders. I'm not going to scalp this week much, but pending orders strategy I'm going to use the most this week. And once again, guys, I just want to warn you, all the risks you take to yourself. Like I'm sharing with you just what I do, my trading, and these are my personal results, okay, from the combining two strategies. And if you decide to follow one of my strategy, the pending orders I'm saying into Telegram channel, it's all at your own risk. Again, guys, all the profits and losses you make, it's all your responsibility, okay, and the year you use, all under your responsibility. So just want to warn you, like use your money management, your lot size, your take profit, stop losses. This is just what I do. Again, and wherever you find on the internet, if someone contacts you under my name, there's nothing to do with me. Nobody ever contacts you as me or as my representatives. I have nothing to do with those people, okay, guys? If you have any doubts, please contact me and ask, okay? But don't send money to anyone, don't pay anyone. It's nothing to do with me. So I only share my strategy, my orders through Telegram channel, Janna FX, and I only offer the EA, which you can use as a tool with your strategy, and that's pretty much. And I use it through Patreon. So there is nothing else, okay? Nothing else to do with me. That's it, guys. So just wanted to give you a little bit of overview. Like I said to you, I don't want to talk much about this prediction, where it can go, the forecast. Like I'm saying, it can go either way. We are in the pattern, we are in a bit of consolidation, and with looking like more still continue to go up at this point, and with possibility of reverse at any moment. Could be quite strong one if the tension, my belief if the tension will be a bit less between Israel and Iran. Okay, so that's how I see it at this moment. So whatever happens, well, the future will show us. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, of course, if you like it, like, subscribe. All the links in the description of this video you can find. And happy trading, everyone, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye, everyone.